Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install the Google Chrome browser into your Windows. So in your mobile phone, it is just very easy on how you can download the Google Chrome. That is through the Play Store. Now in your Windows, how can you download the Google Chrome? Also, Google Chrome is the commonly used or most used browser in today's time. So how can we download and install the Google Chrome browser into our Windows? Then we need to open the Microsoft Edge, which is the default browser of our Windows. Now, how can we open Microsoft Edge? In the Windows search bar, type Edge, best match, click on that. Now here in the Microsoft Edge browser, let's maximize this first. In the search bar, type Chrome, download, hit enter. Now in the list of results right here, do not click on any other result except for this, which is the official link for the Google Chrome browser, which is from www.google.com. Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser built to be yours. So from its name, it's really a fast and secure web browser. Again, this is from www.google.com, so do not click any other link except for and aside for www.google.com. So click on it. Then you will have this button, download Chrome. You have to click on that. This is for Windows 11 and Windows 10, which is a 64-bit. So click on download Chrome. The installation file will be downloaded right here. Now once done, double click and then close the Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure that you are connected to the internet. So now this is downloading. Let's just wait for this. Now this is currently installing the application, so let's again wait for this. And now it's done. So you have just to click on sign in. So let me just enter my credentials, my email. Click on next. Then I'll type my password. Click on next. Click on yes, I'm in. Then simply scroll down and click on got it. So now we have just downloaded and installed the Google Chrome browser. Now to confirm, let's search for it in the Windows search bar. Type here Chrome. That will appear, or that will already appear as an application under the best match. So just open it and then enjoy browsing and searching for your favorite and important info on the search bar in the Google Chrome browser. So that's it. That's how you can easily download the Google Chrome into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.